This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Classic bungalow with fresh paint and new flooring. Great floor plan features great room and kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. First floor primary bedroom with full bath and walk-in closet. First floor bonus room, 2 bedrooms/1 bath on second floor. Large front porch, nice backyard, deck, and detached garage with new door. Established neighborhood with easy access to I-64, shops and dining in Ghent, and downtown Norfolk. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.